Logitech has launched a new keyboard aimed at smart TV users. The K600 TV Keyboard has an integrated touchpad and D-pad, along with a full keyboard. The keyboard includes a precise touchscreen and D-pad so you can actually use the TV's web browser, enter text to search for the content you want to watch and browse the multimedia content in your favorite video and streaming applications, he said. Logitech Once users have connected the keyboard's security device to their TV. They have 15 meters of wireless range. Samsung, LG and Sony Bravia TVs are currently compatible with the device. It is an otherwise standard Bluetooth peripheral, so you can connect it to Android, iOS, Mac and Windows devices. A quick change button can change the pairing on the spot. It is now available for $70, which could make it feasible if you like the idea of navigating on the big screen.